All right, if you haven't been following us very long, you should know by now, if you have been following us for a while, that I like lights. These are rock lights. We do a lot of hunting and stuff in the wintertime, so it's nice to have them when you get out of the truck. You don't end up soaking your boot in a big, deep mud puddle or anything like that. Plus, if you're walking around the truck or getting something out, it's nice to be able to see. So this is a Lux kit they had on sale the other day for 150 bucks, so 50% off instead of 300. It's for Jeep. I guess it's for an unlimited, being that it comes with 8 lights. But it comes with a 10-foot, 4 10-foots, 4 20-footers. Of course, I got some handy dandy shrink wrap from work, some butt connectors, all of our stuff here. We're gonna put them under the truck. We're gonna start in the back, work our way to the front. We might end up having to get 2 or 3 more, but we'll see. We're gonna have some good coverage and have some good light underneath it when we're out in the field hunting or in the parking lot or wherever. We're gonna hook it to the aux beam switch, so we'll be able to strobe it, turn them on inside the truck, make a couple groups or whatever. We're probably gonna get some of these, depending on how bright they are, maybe 2, maybe 4. Put them back here in the bed of the truck, so if we're working back here at night or whatever, we can turn them on. We'll hook them to the same switch we have that hooked to. And I even thought about throwing these inside the fenders on this truck and on the Blazer, so that we can have lights if we're working on the truck here in the shop, or even on the side of the road or whatever. That way we don't have to have lights with us all the time. Just turn the key on, hit the switch, and we'll have underhood lights right on the bat. It'd be nice even if you're jump starting something. So follow along, and this will be our first full-length video on TikTok. All right, so we're going to show you on the passenger side, since there's no fuel tank like there is over there. But it's literally so simple to put these on. The nice thing is, if you need to spread them out differently to get full light coverage, you just slide them. So I'm not even going to like hardwire these up yet. I'm just going to get them all on the same strand and put them on the switch. We'll see how to light up the floor when it gets dark. If we need to move them, we'll just pull some more line out of the holes here and slide them forwards or backwards however we need to. But you can tell, I mean, I'm putting some decent force. They're not going to just flop off. I did talk to them about putting them on the frame rail, because I had seen some videos where people put them up in the body so that they didn't get hit by rocks, even though they're rock lights. But they said put them right on the frame is what they recommend. They're all made in America. It's got a nice hard poly on it, and I'm pretty sure they have a lifetime warranty. But you can check them out. You can see we got the wires there. We're going to run this side. We're going to stick it nice and up in the frame. We'll come back and zip tie it all clean. But we're going to run these up there. We're probably going to have 2 strands going into the aux beam, and then it'll turn on the left and right sides on the same switch. Pretty pumped to see how it's going to look. Never hurts to have a little underglow. All right, we got those Lux off-road lights installed. You can see we got the Gatekeeper off-road lights up front, which kind of fill that void. So we may or may not come in and put 2 more over that axle. But you can see nice clean light through the rest of the truck, all the way out the back, which is that little Jeep JK kit. Looks good. Would recommend them. Super easy to put on. Probably gonna throw 2 in the bed to go with that cargo light, just to really give us enough light to do pretty much anything. And like I said, we'll probably put 2 under the hood in case we're out working somewhere and the truck breaks down or something like that, or we're jumping something off. We'll be able to do that too.